Looks like a good day for our markets today. The Nifty is above the 11,300. The benchmark indices are holding on to the opening gains. But I'm here to take you through all the stocks that are buzzing. And today, most of the stocks are from the broader market arenas. Let me first start up with Birlasoft. That particular counter is surging in trade. Over 15% intraday is the gains that this particular counter has been locking. It surged most in 8 years, and this after the company this morning reported that it is in strategic cloud alliance with Microsoft, and it plans to scale the current Microsoft cloud business to $100 million. On back of this news, the stock actually gained from 8% right up till 14% when this particular news came out. Also, apart from this particular news, the company last evening reported that it's in pact with a US-based company known as Actifio to provide a next generation infrastructure and cloud technology services to its customers. Based on both of these news, Birlasoft is seeing good gains today. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock has surged over 180 points, and in the last 30 days itself, the stock is up 60%. Moving on to chemical producing companies, the government on Monday extended the imposition of anti-dumping duty by 3 months on caustic soda that is imported from China as well as Korea. This is to guard the domestic manufacturers, and based on this particular news, like I said, the chemical producing stocks, the companies, those stocks are surging in trade. You have Gujarat Alkalis that is up for a second straight session. You have Mangalam Organics that's locked in at our upper circuit. The stock has surged most in over 6 months. And Thirumalai Chemicals that has surged over 13% intraday, most in over 11 months. So these are the stocks, and there are other chemical producing stocks also that are buzzing in trade. Time Technoplast surges over 9% intraday as the company develops CNG composite cylinders for on-board application. The company has said that the product has internally passed all necessary tests under ISO. Based on this news, the stock is seeing good surge. In the last 52 weeks, however, the stock has seen a decline of about 36%. Moving on to Trigen Technologies. Apart from this, you have Trigen Technologies. The stock is up in almost 9 months. It soared about 10% in trade. The wholly owned arm of the company, that is Trigen Technologies Incorporated, has bagged a contract from the New York Power Authority to provide information technology related staffing services for 3 years. Based on this news, the stock is seeing good surge in today's trading session. In the last 30 days, the stock has surged about 45%. Talk more on the stock performance. This is the 4th day of gains for coming in for Trigen Technologies, and the stock has clocked positive moves in 11 out of 12 trading sessions. So that's the way how Trigen Technologies has been performing over the last 12 days. Moving on now to aviation companies. Both the companies are surging in trade. Indigo is up over 5% in trade. SpiceJet is up about 2%, and this after you had the aviation minister Hardeep Singh Puri say that the government will revive the civil aviation to pre-COVID levels by December 2020. A big statement coming in from aviation minister hinting at some revival coming in for that particular aviation sector as a whole. Also, Puri said that he expects the airline passenger traffic to touch about 50 to 55% of the pre-COVID levels by November itself. So you can read between the lines the hints coming in from the aviation minister, and that's one of the reasons why the aviation stocks also are surging in trade. Apart from that, you have paint companies that are gaining. Remember, Berger Paint spoke to us yesterday on ET Now and said that they are expecting good earnings going ahead in Q2 as well as in Q3. You have Kansai Nerolac also surging in trade. Apart from that, you have tea companies that are buzzing as well. So this is all the list of stocks that are buzzing in trade today.